Hey, this is Ryan, and today I'm going to briefly cover OpsWorks in AWS. OpsWorks is similar to Elastic Beanstalk, except that it's mainly meant for configuring and deploying fleets of EC2 instances. If you want some good reference material, you can check out tutorialsdojo.com, and they give you a breakdown of the differences between Elastic Beanstalk, OpsWorks, and even CloudFormation and Code Deploy. For this tutorial, I'm going to go to OpsWorks in AWS. We're going to start with stacks. We're going to create one EC2 instance in a Node.js environment. So let's click Add Your First Stack. We're just going to choose Sample Stack, and we want Linux. So create stack. So it's creating a stack, giving us a repository, creating a layer named Node.js app server, and giving us a recipe for a lifecycle event. I think that means that if you were to delete your resource or delete your stack, then it deletes all the resources underneath. Okay, we're in the stack tab. Okay, let's move on to instances. This is where we can start our instance. And it automatically gives us a T2 medium, so I'll show you how to change that. Let's click Node.js server 1, edit, and here's where we can change the size. So T2 micro to make that free. Keep everything else the same. Save. Okay, that looks good. Let's try start instance. Up here it'll show you the progress bar. That'll probably take a minute. Alright, that took longer than I thought. Probably 5 minutes. Let's try clicking our public IP. And here's our app. So this is the app that AWS provided us. And you can test it out by leaving a comment. Okay, the app works. If you wanted to deploy your own app, you would just go to OpsWorks. And you would create a new stack. Then you would select Chef 12 stack. And then you can just add your own repository and use your app from there. So what OpsWorks is mainly used for is for the integrated Chef and Puppet servers. So if we were to select Chef, for example, it would create a large server with many different instances. So this supports up to 200 nodes. So you can select as many instances as you would want, and you can easily configure your server. We won't do that. That'll take forever to deploy and don't have time to wait for that. Okay, lastly, let's just delete all of our resources. Let's just click Stop All Instances, Stop. Okay, now it's stopping. All right, our instance is stopped. Okay, if you want to delete your app, first you have to go to the Apps tab. Press delete here, and then you go back to instances and delete your instance. And then I think you go back to stack and delete your stack. We deleted our app. Go back to the instance, delete that. And then I want to delete our layer. Click stacks, and let's delete our stack. And that's it for OpsWorks.